Just like prehistoric man did not invent fire, Benjamin Franklin did not invent electricity. He discovered it in June of 1752 while famously flying a kite into a storm with the metal key attached. It is likely that at least one other person, a Frenchman, had discovered electricity at nearly the same time as Franklin. Many scientists and inventors were aware that electricity existed, but had not been able to prove it. With Franklin's discovery, the world had a new form of power to explore. Other forms of power that we are familiar with are steam, coal, oil and gas, wind, water, and nuclear. For most of us, electricity means that we are wired for electricity. This means that our homes, schools, and businesses are connected to a power station, typically called the electric company, and we are permitted to use some of the electrical power that the station creates. We purchase this power from the electric companies depending upon how much we use. The more we use, the more we pay. Since the 1970s, electricity has become more and more expensive, and as with other technologies, people have been looking for cleaner and less expensive forms of power. Modern families and businesses are turning to something we've known about and relied on forever. Without it, none of us could exist. It is our nearest star, known simply as the sun. In the 1950s, solar cells, now known as PV or photovoltaic, were developed for use on space satellites. You may have a solar cell on you now or at home. Solar cells have been used for years to power calculators, flashlights, streetlights, and spacecraft. Solar cells are made of a type of melted sand called silicon and are now being used to power homes, schools, and businesses. Most electricity is produced by burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. By burning fossil fuels, we are releasing carbon dioxide into our environment, which causes greenhouse gases. To protect our environment, we must reduce the amount of carbon dioxide each of us uses. By placing solar panels on your school, home, or business, you will reduce the burning of fossil fuels and help to protect our planet. Additionally, energy from the sun is becoming more affordable than buying electricity from the electric company. How solar works is really quite simple. The energy from the sun, solar energy, hits the solar panels. The solar panels convert the sun's energy into DC electrical current. The DC current is sent to the inverter, which converts the DC to AC. This AC power can now supply power to our home. Excess electricity is distributed from your home to the utility's power grid, causing the meter to actually spin backwards.